Okay, so hi guys. So we are in Jammu and Kashmir. There's a place called Bunny. I've been to this place for the first time, and this place is really amazing. This is our first day, and I want to show you guys some tools which are very essential for camping and which would, give you a more edge when it comes to survival. You need amazing tools. So let me show you some tools. This is a Python axe. You can get it from Amazon. I'll link it in the description below. And this axe is very sharp. I read about this axe, and they manufacture these axe for US Navy SEALs. So this is the sharpest axe available in India. तो ये आपके बहुत काम आते हैं. दिस इज़ अ सर्वाइवल टूल फॉर यू. एंड जब आपको लकड़ियाँ काटने के लिए जाना होता है जंगल में, तो दिस इज़ वेरी हेल्पफुल. सो द सेकेंड टूल इज़ शवल. ये आपके बहुत सारे काम आएगा. लाइक आपको कभी गड्ढा खोदना होता है, या यू हैव टू डिग अ होल, और यू हैव टू, और किस काम आता है? नूब.
Moat around your tent.
And if you want to build a moat around your tent.
Noob.
If you want to build a moat around your tent, then this is a very nice tool. So इसका पर्पज़ ये है कि जब भी बारिश हो टेंट के आसपास, तो पानी जो है वो उस गड्ढे में इकट्ठा हो जाता है, आपके टेंट तक नहीं पहुंचता. सो दैट इज़ अ वेरी गुड पर्पज़ ऑफ दिस टूल. आपके बहुत काम आएगा. इफ़ यू हैव अ वाटर प्रूफ टेंट देन वेल एंड गुड, बट कई बार ऐसा होता है कि वाटर प्रूफ टेंट के अंदर भी पानी आ जाता है. सो दिस इज़ अ वेरी good instrument, good tool for you. Last is a very small, very handy. It's a Swiss multi-tool, and जितने भी Swiss tools आते हैं उनमें आपको multiple tools मिलती हैं. जैसे you have a knife, you have a blade, you have a wood cutter, you have a screwdriver, and you have axe, you have bottle opener. And this is very essential when you are camping, because Swiss tools जितने भी होते हैं, if they are knives, if they are axes or whatever they are, camping में ये बहुत ज़्यादा important tools हैं. So you must get a Swiss multi-tool kit with you, and this small little thing can be very helpful when you're camping. So make sure you carry one of these. And सबसे last में हिमालय नीम प्यूरिफाइंग फेस वॉश. ये आपकी त्वचा को, I don't know.
Noob.
That's it. That's all for today. Okay, bye.
Guys, unfortunately I cannot cover everything in this video, but I'm gonna be making another complete video for camping essentials, which I'm gonna be linking it down in the description below so that you can check out.
मैं नहीं दिखाऊंगा.
As the sun went down, it became so dark we hardly could see anything, and I was shooting with my iPhone camera, so I couldn't capture much. But don't be disappointed, because I have something to show you guys in the end of this video. Some cool, amazing drone shots, and trust me, you're gonna be amazed. So stick till the end. And do let me know in the comment section if you want me to buy a new camera to shoot my videos, and if yes, then do support this channel by clicking on that subscribe button. So guys, this is a beautiful tent, and I apologize for the little mess that we have created, but it's beautiful, and this small little tent fits 4 people. So it's big enough for a family of 4, and I've put a little LED, battery operated LED over there, and this is a double bed, and that's a single bed over there on the right hand side. So I bought this tent from Amazon Basics, and I got this tent for a very reasonable price. So I will link it down in the description below in case you want to purchase the same one. And right on the back you can see a zip, so that is a window or a ventilator, you can say, for ventilation and for the sunlight. And right on the top I have installed an LED light. So that was it, and I hope you found it pretty just like I did. So guys, just a suggestion, be responsible whenever you're camping. Don't leave that place dirty. Clean that place and leave nothing but your footprints behind. So after having our breakfast, packing up and cleaning up the space, it was about time to leave. But little did we know, when the clouds cleared and the wild wind blew, there was about something waiting for us on the way back to our home.
Hey guys, so we are on our way back home एंड यहाँ बहुत सारे पत्थर गिर रहे हैं, ऊपर से लैंडस्लाइड हो रहा है, बहुत सारे पेड़ गिर चुके हैं. दे आर सेइंग कि अभी और लैंडस्लाइड होने वाला है. एंड आई विल शो यू द सिचुएशन ओवर हियर राइट नाउ. सो दिस इज़ द करंट सिचुएशन. एज यू कैन सी एक पेड़ गिरा हुआ है, रोड पूरी ब्लॉक्ड है एंड 1 घंटा लग सकता है. सो वी हैव टू बी हियर फॉर एन आवर और सो. सो लेट्स वेट एंड सी. गाइस ये लोग कह रहे हैं कि आगे जाना अभी रिस्की है. धीरे धीरे काफ़ी सारे पत्थर जो हैं अभी गिर रहे हैं. अभी और भी लैंडस्लाइड हो सकता है, पॉसिबिलिटी है. एंड करेंटली दे आर cutting the tree and the wires, high tension wires. I shouldn't go nearby. And that is very risky. I won't go near. But यहाँ से I can show you guys what's happening. And कह रहे हैं कि it will take another 1 hour. अब देखो पत्थर अभी भी गिर रहे हैं.
Finally we got a green signal and you can see a fallen tree on the right hand side. That is because of the landslide. And on the left you can see how steep it is. Look at the fall. Look how deep is that. बाय द वे, आपको शायद याद हो, मैंने आपको लास्ट व्लॉग में बारात जाती हुई दिखाई थी. एंड अगर आपने नहीं देखा तो इस वीडियो के बाद जाके फर्स्ट पार्ट ज़रूर देखिए, बिकॉज दैट इज़ वेरी अमेजिंग. एंड कोइंसिडेंटली जाते हुए भी हमें एक बारात दिखी है. आई थिंक दैट इज़ अ डोली, आई डोंट नो, बट यार देयर यू गो. So this is Atal Setu Bridge. I don't know why they have put barbed wires. And by the way, I just found out a really amazing fact about this place from these people, that this bridge gives connectivity to Jammu Kashmir and Punjab. And on the top right, it is Himachal Pradesh border. So the river right between touches the border of all three states.
अच्छा साथ में पंजाब है.
So in barbed wires का reason यही है कि because of COVID they have sealed all the borders. So the huge river you see right in front of me is Ravi River, and it heads towards Ranveer Sagar Lake Dam. Unfortunately, we cannot go there, but remember, I said you in the beginning of this video, I have some old amazing drone shots of this place which looks rad. So there you go. Another break, and I don't know, we are in middle of a forest and you can see birds chirping, both amazing. It looks amazing. Just have a look at this place. And now we are having some food.
कड़ी का उसमें पानी डाला है, कहाँ रखी है आपने? हाँ। कहाँ है? वो रखी है गैस में।
So put your hand in mine, I will be there every day. When you're sick of the climb, I will make sure it's okay. I know you didn't ask for any of this, but we reach for the sky. That's what flying colors now.
Second is उसका नाम क्या था सेकंड वाले का? Shovel ना? Yeah. When it comes to survival, you need very इसका काम क्या होता है? मोड किस लिए होता है?
जब रेन होती है पानी उधर इकट्ठा हो जाता है.
This thing can be very helpful when you're camping. And this small little thing can be very helpful when you're camping. So
I am noob.
So guys, finally we come to an end to this series and I hope we shared a good laugh together and many more to come. So stay tuned. एंड साथ में मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि ये मेरी पहली व्लॉगिंग सीरीज़ थी. सो मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताना कि आपको मेरी पूरी सीरीज़ कैसी लगी. इट इज़ ऑल वर्थ इट जब आप कमेंट करके मुझे बताते हैं इफ़ यू लाइक द वीडियो एंड यू लीव अ लिटिल कॉम्प्लीमेंट. सो सारी मेहनत जो है इट इज़ ऑल वर्थ इट. सो लीव अ कमेंट डाउन बिलो एंड डू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल बिकॉज आप सब्सक्राइब करेंगे तभी मैं ग्रो कर पाऊँगा. सो please help me grow. Do share it with your friends and family because if you loved it, your family will love it too. So guys, till then, stay safe, stay at home, spend time with your family, and I will see you soon with another vlog. Bye bye.